Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Windows PC shows limited connectivity, like you're connected to Wi-Fi but there's no real internet access, yeah, that's a really common issue. But don't worry, in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, restart your router and your PC. I know it sounds simple, but it clears temporary network bugs that often cause limited connectivity. Next, forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect again. This resets your connection and can fix authentication issues. Now disable your network adapter and enable it again. This refreshes your connection instantly. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter. It can detect and sometimes automatically fix limited connectivity issues. Open Command Prompt and reset your IP and DNS settings. This helps fix corrupted network configurations. Now change your DNS to a faster and more reliable one like Google DNS or Cloudflare. If your Wi-Fi is set as metered, Windows may limit your connection. So yeah, turn that off. Outdated drivers can cause limited connectivity errors, so make sure your network drivers are updated. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. These can sometimes block proper internet access. If nothing works, do a full network reset. This clears all settings and reinstalls network adapters fresh. And that's it. One of these methods should fix limited connectivity on Windows and get your internet working normally again.